Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on LENOVO V15. To adjust your screen brightness, you can either open the control panel by clicking these three icons on your taskbar, and then moving this slider to the left will decrease your brightness level, and moving it to the right will increase it. Now, alternatively, you can use your function keys for the same purpose. In this case, there will be F5 and F6 buttons. So if you press F5 button, this will decrease your brightness level, and F6 will increase it. And if those buttons don't do anything for you, nothing that I mentioned, then you just have to check if the FN lock is enabled on your computer. So check if the indicator on the escape button is glowing. If it does, then press the combination of FN button and escape button at the same time, and once the indicator stops glowing, you can use F5 and F6 for regulating your screen brightness. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.